Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the cutest project and it's this sunflower bookmark, and it's so easy to make. You won't believe how fast and quick you can make it. So let's get started. I am using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. You're going to need two colors, and I'm using this brown cotton. I believe it's by Lion brand. I just forgot the name. And then I'm using another color. I'm frogging this because I'm not using it, but this one is from Dishy. So let's get started. Okay, so for this project, you will need to know how to make a magic circle. So I make a magic circle and then chain one. Once I have my magic circle, I am going to make 10 double crochets into my magic circle. Okay, and here you can pull on this strand to close your circle. I'm not going to close mine all the way because I want that gap in the middle. And then I'm just going to slip stitch to the first single crochet to close. And then I'm going to tie off, and we're going to add the second color after this. Okay, once we tie off, we're going to insert the other color in any stitch that you like. I'm just going to do it in the same one where I tie off the other color. So I'm going to make a slip knot with the other yarn and then insert it in that stitch, and I'm going to chain two. After that chain two, I'm going to place 2 double crochets into that same stitch. Here's one, and we're going to place another one in the same stitch. Alright, now we go to the next stitch and we're going to be slip stitching. Then we are going to place 3 double crochets into the same stitch. And that's going to be our pattern repeat. We slip stitch in the next and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. And that's how easy it is, you guys. This project is so quick to make, and you can make these in any other colors if you would like. I just chose the classic sunflower colors. Okay, so remember, continue all the way around. You should have 10 petals at the end. I'm going to do it one more time. Slip stitch and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Okay, so continue doing that all the way around, and I will see you at the end and show you how to make the strand or stem, however you would like to call it. Okay, here I made my last petal, and I just slip stitched to the very first one that I made, and then tie off and weave in the ends to my flower. This is probably the most tedious part if you hate weaving in ends, and I just cut the yarn and do it on the back. Okay, so here's my flower. This is the front and that is the back. So I'm going to add the brown color again so we can make that long strand. Again, I'm just going to find where I slip stitched, and I'm going to place my hook there and then insert the brown color through the back. And I'm going to be chaining, I believe I chained around 35, but you can chain whatever amount you would like. Okay, now that we have that desired length, we're just going to be slip stitching back. So we're going to be placing one slip stitch in every stitch back, and that's just going to make that chain stronger and thicker. Alrighty guys, I have my last stitches here, and once I have the final one, I just slip stitch to the very first one and then cut my yarn and weave in the ends. Okay, and for the last step, I just tied a knot on the bottom of my strand. I don't know, I just thought it made it look a little bit cuter. I just wanted to keep these bookmarks simple, but look how cute it looks, you guys. Don't mind my strands on the back hanging. I hate weaving in ends and I always leave them to the very end. But here's the very first one I made, and that is how it should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more patterns like this. And yeah guys, if you have any other ideas, anything you would like to see, let me know, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.